Hey everybody, so I picked up a single tool from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, this is going to be hopefully just a pretty quick video. I picked up a Lisle tool from Amazon. Something I needed to pick up for a while. Just didn't grab it till now. I only paid like 30, I think it's like 32 bucks or something, because I had like 17 or something dollars on my account. I wish they would have shipped it in cardboard box, but so it says a Lisle, apartment number 29100. This is a quad pad, quick quad pad spreader. It's a Caliper piston spreader. Sturdy reinforced design, simultaneous compresses all pistons on 4 piston brake calipers. There's a lot of mixed reviews on this item. A lot of people say that it brakes way too easy. Some people say that they've never had any issues with it. You know, I guess we'll find out. Cover off. My calipers look pretty similar to that on the 4Runner. To pull plunger back, grab only the back connector plate, press retaining lever with thumb and pull plunger back with other hand. What's this side say? Oh, can't read. Oh, there it is. Move brake pads, place tool plates inside the brake caliper, loosen the brake bleeder screw, squeeze the tool handle until the plates contact the brake pistons. Continue squeezing to compress pistons. You don't need to loosen the brake bleeder. If you don't loosen the brake bleeder, all it's going to do is force everything back into the master cylinder. Slide back. It's a nicely built tool. It's got nice smooth function. I don't know if I'm going to do a demo on it at the moment, but I will be doing brake pads, front brake pads on disc brakes for the 4Runner. Let me know down below if you guys want to see me record that. If not, I can always just do a video on it later, you know, when I need to do brakes again. So I do appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. I probably later in the future I'm going to be picking up the dual piston tool as well. And Amazon, they're way cheaper. I went to O'Reilly's looking for this tool. They're like, well, I can get one here, but it's $126. I'm like, $126? Lisle doesn't even sell it for that. You know, when I looked this up on Lisle's website, and they had it, you know, their price was $50 flat. But you know, I even went to AutoZone. They wanted $96, and Napa didn't have the Lisle brand. They had the Napa brand, which is the same tool under their branding. and Napa wanted $88. This was $45 on Amazon. I think it was $16.50 or something like that on my account, because I get the $3 and $5 here and there from Verizon. The free Verizon up. You get to pick a thing once a month. I usually pick the Amazon credits or free movies. So I think I was like $30 and like 80 cents or something is what I paid for it. We'll see if it's has the same issue that everybody claims, that it breaks right here at the handle at these two rivets, which look so loose that they're actually turning. That's interesting. I guess we'll find out if it survives the first use. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And new to the channel, I'm now an Acme Tools affiliate, so I got some Acme Tool affiliate links down below. If there's anything you guys want to see, let me know. Any tool deals you guys have found, let me know, and I'll do a video on them. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!